The last thing I thought I'd show you is just a quick graph. Let's say I wanted to track this ending balance. I wanted to graph the ending balance. I could hold this, drag and drop, and now that it's selected, I could choose Insert from the Insert ribbon and choose a line graph, and maybe just a basic 2D line graph, and you can see that ending balance line graph. I'll drag that down to the bottom here a little bit. Just move it down here. And you see the numbering here is 1, 2, 3 up to 11, but you see over here it's only 0 to 10. So what that means is just counted, and I don't really want that. So I'm going to click that once with my left mouse button, then right click and choose Select Data. And over here in the horizontal axis labels, which is what these are, I want to edit them. And where am I going to get my labels? Right here. I'm going to hold my left mouse button down, drag and drop, and release, and hit OK, and you can see now it goes 0 to 10, and that's OK. So this is just a quick graph showing how that ending balance grows to get to the 1 million. Another thing we should do is maybe fit this to one screen. We'll go File, Print. In fact, you can get it that way, or you can go over here to Page Layout and hit Page Setup. And on this page setup for page, I want to fit it to 1 page wide and maybe 2 pages tall. And now look at the print preview. Okay, so it looks like this all fits into 1 page nicely. Maybe I can move this down a little bit further. If I weren't condensing this, I could just do a page break, but if I went here and chose a break, I don't know that this page break would work. Let's look at it quickly. Print preview. Yeah, so that page break, when it condenses, it doesn't work with that page break. So I might just have to move this down just a little bit further, just manually, and now go back and look at that. I can go here to the home button, print, and look at the preview. That's not what I wanted. Try that again. I had the graph selected. Go here, print, preview, and you can see that's 1 page. Page down, that's the next page. If you wanted, you could put some titles that print on the top of each page. Let's do that. Let's go to Print Titles, and I want the rows to repeat at top, these top rows. And now I go to Print Preview, and I go page down, and you can see that title stays up there on both, so you don't have to type it both times. Otherwise, you would have just had this blank piece of paper with ending balance graph on it, and people may not have known what we were even looking at.